Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Welcome to our next episode of 30 Days 30 Veg Side Dishes recipes for all your breakfast. Today we have a very healthy side dish, South Indian style, using sprouted peas. We are going to make sprouted peas kurma. What if your favorite kurma could be healthy too? Here's a delicious twist, sprouted peas kurma. For this, I have 1 cup of sprouted peas. This I had taken the dry green peas, soaked it overnight in water, next day drained the water and sprouted it in this bowl. I will give you the link to how to make sprouts. I have already uploaded on my channel. If you have not viewed that, you can see that now. We have here 1 onion thinly sliced, 1 green chilli slit, 1 ripe tomato I have chopped, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now for grinding the masala, we need 1/4 cup of fresh grated coconut, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds or saunf. I have taken 2 green chillis, a small piece of ginger, and also 5 cashew nuts. And this is 1 tablespoon of roasted gram or pottu kadalai, what we call in Tamil. First, let's grind the masala. So, in your blender jar, I have taken the grated coconut, fennel seeds, green chilies, ginger, cashew nuts, and this roasted gram. Now, add a little water and grind it into a smooth and creamy paste. This masala base gives the kurma its signature texture and flavor. First, heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add the sliced onion and saute till it is translucent. Now, add in the ginger garlic paste, slit green chilli, and the chopped tomatoes. Stir fry everything together till the tomatoes become nice and soft. Add salt, it will make the onions and tomatoes cook faster. When the tomatoes are soft, add a pinch of this haldi or turmeric powder. And now we will add the sprouted peas also to it. First, we will add a little water, cover it to cook the peas. Cook on a low flame for 10 to 12 minutes till the sprouts are well cooked. See, we can check our sprouts. They are well cooked. When you cook it, from time to time check if there is sufficient water in it. Now add this ground masala paste. Add some water to adjust the consistency. Mix everything well together and let the sprouted peas absorb the flavor of the masala. Let it come to a boil once again. See, the peas and the masala have all blended well. It is boiling well together and it has thickened also. This is the consistency that we want. At this stage, I am just adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut milk. Switch it off after adding the coconut milk. Don't boil it again after that. Now, if you don't have coconut milk, don't worry at all. Just take a tablespoon of curd, beat it well, add it, mix it and switch it off. Our sprouted peas kurma is ready. For the final touch, just garnish it with some fresh coriander. And for added flavor, just drizzle a few drops of ghee on top. Our healthy, flavorful sprouted peas kurma is ready. A perfect way to combine taste and nutrition in one dish. Today I have made some healthy ajwain parathas to serve with our sprouted peas kurma. If you like this flavorful, protein-packed sprouted peas kurma, definitely give it a try. I am sure your family will ask for it again and again. Subscribe to Gita's Kitchen, share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Please come back again tomorrow for our next episode of 30 Days, 30 Side Dishes.